Alright folks, we gotta talk about some J channel and some dual undersill. Okay, so J channel is the trim basically that goes around your windows and your doors so that your cut siding can come in here and be hidden. It's nailed on with these flanges, and I nail this tight. Siding doesn't get nailed tight, but this does because we want this to stay in place, and there's not as much expansion and contraction. There's not as much surface area on this to absorb and heat up and move. So J channel goes around all your windows, all your openings, your doors, and dual undersill goes underneath that. So dual undersill has this double slot that lock the siding in. This stuff goes underneath here. So it's hard to see here, but this is one piece of siding that's cut here, and then it goes up there and locks into place. And the way it locks into place, once you cut it, you use these things. I call them crimpers. I'm sure there's an actual name for them, but you can see that there's one piece that pushes through and it makes a crimp. So I'm going to use this on this J channel so you can see it. It makes that crimp in that piece of vinyl. So if this is a piece of siding, you have that crimp there, it can go up in that dual undersill and it locks in place. So that's the purpose of dual undersill, is to have the siding stay put in an area where there's no way to nail it. So there you go folks, there's J channel, dual undersill, and now you know. And as G.I. Joe would say, knowing is half the battle. Thanks for watching. Make sure to work hard because hard work is its own reward. And try to better yourself today. Do something today that makes yourself better than you were yesterday. Window, you'll have your J dual undersill. Two little hooks inside there. Those two little finish off your siding with dual undersill. So sorry about the wind noise. I know it's probably horrible. Look at this getting away. But the J channel is going to go on the side here, and then siding is going to. What a garbage video.